Welcome viewers. I hope you are staying at home, keeping yourself safe from this coronavirus. So, dear students, now you are promoted in your second year, and today onwards we will discuss our syllabus. And in our syllabus, some important literary forms and devices are included. So first of all, we will discuss one by one these literary devices and literary forms. So today we will discuss a very simple but important literary form, sonnet. So let's have a discussion about sonnet. So sonnet, the very word sonnet is taken from Italian word sonato, which means little sound. Uh, so sonato is the Italian word, and the sonnet is taken. The word sonnet is taken from this word sonato. So sonnet was developed in Italy. Their sonato word is used for sonnet. So sonnet, as far as the definition of the sonnet is concerned, a sonnet is a poem in 14 lines. A sonnet consists of 14 lines. So sonnet is a poem of 14 lines having intricate rhyme scheme. It has a set pattern of rhyme scheme, is a fixed pattern of rhyme scheme, and it is written in iambic pentameter. The meter used in sonnet is iamb. Iambic pentameter is consists of 5-fit combination, unstressed stressed combination. Pentameter is a combination of 5-fit combination of 5-fit unstressed stressed, unstressed stressed. So the meter used in sonnet is iambic pentameter. So now we know that a sonnet is a line, is a poem in 14 lines. It has a definite rhyme scheme and it is written in iambic pentameter. So let's have discuss about types of sonnets. So basically sonnet has 3 types. First is Petrarchan or Italian sonnet. Second one is English or Shakespearean sonnet, and the third one is Spenserian sonnet. So we will discuss each type, each and every type of sonnet. So first we take Italian or the Petrarchan sonnet. So Petrarchan sonnet was developed by Francesco Petrarch in Italy in 13th century. By Francesco Petrarch in Italy. So it was named after Petrarch, and it was developed in the country Italy. So it was named after Italian sonnet. So Petrarchan sonnet is divided into 2 parts. There are 2 parts in Petrarchan sonnet. First 8 line is called octave. Octave consists of first 8 lines that raises a question or a problem. In first 8 lines, the poet raises a question and a problem. Is called the octave, and then the last 6 lines is called sestet. Sestet consists of last 6 lines, and in the sestet, the poet provides a solution to the problem that is raised in octave. Solution to the answer, solution or the answer to the octave. So Petrarchan sonnet or the Italian sonnet is divided into 2 parts: octave, first comprises of first 8 lines, and the sestet comprises of last 6 lines. So we know that sonnet has a rhyme scheme. So Petrarchan sonnet has a set or the definite rhyme scheme. So the rhyme scheme of the sonnet, Petrarchan sonnet, is ABBA, ABBA, that is the octave, ABBA, ABBA, and then the CDC, CDC, that is the sestet, or some variation is there in the rhyme scheme, CDE, CDE. So the rhyme scheme of the Petrarchan sonnet, we know that ABBA, ABBA, CDC, CDC, or CDE, CDE, and Petrarchan sonnet was introduced in England by Sir Thomas Wyatt in 16th century, and the sonnet form that was introduced by Sir Thomas Wyatt later on improved by some poets, and then the pure English form of sonnet was developed into England. So let's take the next type of sonnet, the Shakespearean sonnet or the English sonnet. Shakespearean sonnet was perfected by, we know that, William Shakespeare, so it was called the Shakespearean sonnet, and it was purely English style, so it is called the English sonnet. So Shakespearean sonnet or the English sonnet consists of 3 quatrains. Quatrain is a stanza of 4 lines, 3 quatrains and a couplet, and a couplet is a combination of rhyming lines, is a stanza of rhyming lines, rhyming 2 lines. A couplet is a stanza of 2 rhyming lines, is called a couplet. So it consists of 3 quatrains. Quatrain is a stanza of 4 lines, and a couplet is a stanza of 2 rhyming lines. So each quatrain revolves around some image, some different image or idea. Each quatrain, the poet expresses different images or discusses different ideas in each quatrain, and then there is a turn, and the poet concludes the whole theme, the whole idea into 2 lines. The whole gist of the poem is concluded in only 2 lines. So the rhyme scheme of the Shakespearean sonnet is AB, AB, CD, CD, EF, EF, and GG. That is AB, AB first quatrain, CD, CD second quatrain, EF, EF third quatrain, and then the concluding couplet. That is the 2 rhyming lines together. That is GG. That is the rhyme scheme of the Shakespearean or the English sonnet. Now the third type of sonnet is Spenserian sonnet, because Spenser developed this type of sonnet, so it was named after Edmund Spenser, a great Elizabethan poet. So like English sonnet or the Shakespearean sonnet, Spenserian sonnet is also divided into 3 quatrains and a concluding couplet. But unlike Shakespearean sonnet, and more likely Italian sonnet, it uses linked rhyme scheme. In the Shakespearean sonnet, there is no linked rhyme scheme, but in the Petrarchan sonnet, there is a linked rhyme scheme, and Spenser also used linked rhyme scheme, where a rhyme is being carried over from one quatrain to the next. That is, one rhyme is carried over to the next. So let's see the rhyme scheme. Rhyme scheme of the Spenserian is AB, AB, BC, BC, CD, CD, and concluding couplet is EE. That is the AB, AB first quatrain, BC, BC second quatrain, CD, CD in the third quatrain. And see the linked rhyme scheme, that is the rhyme scheme B is carried over to the next quatrain, second quatrain, that is B, and the rhyme scheme C is carried over to a third quatrain, C, CD, CD. So Spenser used a linked rhyme scheme. So this is the Spencerian sonnet developed by Edmund Spencer. So now I hope you will aware about now you have knowledge about sonnet, the definition of sonnet and the various types of sonnets. Now we will discuss we will also discuss sonnet sequence, because because many poets wrote sonnet sequences. The sonnet sequence, a sonnet sequence is a group of sonnets written by an author, written by a writer, is a group of sonnets. But these sonnets are interconnected, thematically interconnected. There is a unity in all these sonnets. Suppose one poet wrote 108 sonnets. So 108 sonnets are interlinked, thematically unified sonnets. So this is called the sonnet sequence, and each sonnet is interconnected, portraying the varying emotions of the poet. But at the same time, every sonnet can be read as a separate unit. अगर हम किसी सोनेट्स को अलग भी पढ़ें तो उसको एक सेपरेट यूनिट के तौर पे, एक सेपरेट पोएम के तौर पे भी हम पढ़ सकते हैं. तो ऐसा भी है, एक यूनिटी तो होती है पूरी सोनेट सीक्वेंस में, एक ग्रुप ऑफ जो भी सोनेट्स है, लेकिन उसमें एक हर एक पोएम को आप एक सेपरेट पोएम के तौर पे भी उसमें पढ़ सकते हैं. सो now we will see the example of some important sonnet sequences written by great poets. That is Amority, written by Edmund Spencer and was published in 1595. Then Astrophel and Stella, written by Sir Philip Sidney and published in 1591. And then a Shakespeare sonnet, written by William Shakespeare and published in 1609. So this is the sonnet sequence. I hope you will enjoy this lecture. So in the coming lecture we will discuss another literary form. So I hope you will enjoy this session. Thank you very much.